On May 7th, the Election Commission of India directed X, previously known as Twitter, to remove a controversial video shared by the official account of BJP Karnataka on May 4th. This directive was issued just 2 hours before the conclusion of polling in 14 constituencies in Karnataka. The video, lasting 17 seconds, was posted by BJP 4 Karnataka at 5:23 pm on May 4th, aiming to provoke religious sentiments by portraying the Congress party as favoring Muslims over other religious group and caste. The Election Commission referred to the FIR lodged by Prajwal TR, leader of the Flying Squad team, against BJP State President and MLA PY Vijendra, along with the official Twitter handle at BJP4 Karnataka, in its communication to the social media platform. The post had gained over 90 lakh views.